Hello everyone, this is Tuba Mirza and welcome to Recoding. Today we are going to continue our to-do app. In the previous video, we have already completed design of our application. Now let's put it all together. We are using jQuery to make our code less complicated. First, we need to copy the CDN code of jQuery. Then, we need to initialize our jQuery code after the document gets loaded. Then, we can add the class title in our input tag. And class add text in our add button. These classes help us to easily call using a jQuery query selector. We also wrap our title inside the p tag. And also add a conditional statement that if our completed is true, we are going to show checkbox, and if it's not, then we can show empty checkbox. Now, inside our function, we first need to select our add text button using its class by using jQuery query selector. Then we can chain it to event when it will click. Inside our click method, we need to add another function which is an arrow function. Inside it, we again need to select the title using jQuery query select by providing title class. And we can get its value outside using value method. Then we can use Ajax and send a post request to the add list URL. We also need to set our data type. Then we can set our data as title object. And if our request went successful, we'll reload our page using location.reload and pass it true. Now let's check if it's working or not. And here you can see that we can easily submit our data using add button. Now let's work on our checkboxes. As we have too many checkboxes, we need to loop through each our checkbox and assign on click functionality. To do so, we use jQuery each function, which is similar for each method of array in JavaScript. Inside our each function, we can add our input checkbox and assign click functionality of each our checkboxes. As we click our checkbox, we can get its ID, title and its status if it's checked or not. We can check the status of the checkbox and send a request accordingly. We need to send patch request to a server as we already mentioned in our routes. Then we can pass it along with ID. Then we can set our data type. If our checkbox is checked, then we can send complete option as true so that it will send request to our database that our task is completed. Or if not, then we can set it false. In the previous video, we also made mistakes as when a completed variable gets value from the form, it will treat it as string, but we need to send a Boolean value. So we can apply switch case as it is completed it's true as string. We can set our is completed as Boolean true and break our statement there only. And if not, then set it as false and break our statement there only. Now head up to our browser and we can see that our data starts changing as soon mark checkbox. So this is how we implement on check functionality. Now let's create a delete functionality to app. First, create a delete button with class as delete and add the ID along with it. Now we can add delete functionality. First, we need to loop each our delete button and add click functionality. As soon as we click, we need to get the ID of the element. Then inside our AJAX request, we only need to send as delete type without any data and on success, we can delete the parent element. Let's head to our browser and refresh our page. Oh, we missed to assign click functionality on the inside our delete button. And now you can see that our application is working. So this is how we can create a to-do application using Deno. Please do like this video and mention any suggestion regarding Deno video or any other video. For now, I'm signing off. We'll see you in the next video.